Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to turn a text prompt into a video using Canva AI tools. Canva's built-in AI called Magic Media can now take plain text and automatically generate stunning videos. Here's how to use it step by step. Go to the canva.com, open the Canva app on your iPhone, make sure it's updated to the latest version, and that's where the Magic Media lives. Once you're in, sign in or log in to Canva, tap the plus button, create button, then select video. After that, choose your format, about 6 to the 9 ratio, or for YouTube, or at least 9.9 by 16 for reels/shorts. Next, what you guys are gonna do is on the left toolbar, tap apps and then go to Magic Media. If you don't see the Magic Media, type Magic Media in the search bar, and then next type your prompt, enter a detailed description like and click on generate image. You can also include camera angles, lighting, or tone, example motivational, calm, urban aesthetics, and tap generate video and wait for a few seconds. Canva's AI will automatically create scenes, animations, and transitions matching your prompt, just like that. And tap download. Once you're done, just tap downloads, and now you can post it on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok immediately. And that's it. Safety tip: don't use copyrighted names, logos, or brand footage in your prompts. Canva may block or blur them. Quick fix: if Magic Media isn't available, update Canva, log out and log back in. Make sure you're using a pro account. AI video features are still rolling out gradually. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.